With more than 1,800 homes spread across 3,000 acres, Riverchase offers privacy close to some of Birmingham's best schools, shopping, and dining. Riverchase is the oldest planned community in the state of Alabama. Our community features well-made homes, lush natural scenery, 3 lakes, the first-rate Riverchase Country Club, and an ideal location for raising your family. We're fortunate to have the Riverchase Country Club right here within our community. Built in 1976, the Riverchase Country Club features a Joe Lee designed golf course, 15 tennis courts, a junior Olympic-sized pool, and a fitness center. It's the centerpiece of our Riverchase community, and the club prides itself on being a Birmingham tradition and a place for all to enjoy. As my personal guest, I invite you to come visit the club within our neighborhood. In Riverchase, you'll find a wide range of architectural styles and home sizes, providing something for everyone. Riverchase is home to multiple generations of many families, and many families move within Riverchase as their needs and family makeup change, a testament to the lifestyle that Riverchase has come to offer. Schools are the biggest driver of home purchases, and Riverchase is zoned in the highly regarded and award-winning Hoover school system and the top-tier Spain Park High School. As far as churches, there are 9 diverse and welcoming church families that make their homes near Riverchase. Riverchase is convenient to some of the area's best shopping, including the Riverchase Galleria Mall. Riverchase and Hoover offer a wide range of food options, including a few of my favorites like Dale Southern Grill, Trey Luna, Brock's Gap Brewery, and my favorite coffee shop, Baba Java. If you're an outdoors person like me, step out your front door and right onto the trail. Riverchase is nestled among some of our region's most beautiful scenery, hiking trails, and just a couple of miles away from Oak Mountain State Park. Riverchase might seem like forever away from the hustle and bustle of downtown Birmingham, but it's only a short drive to the city center. One of my favorite things about Riverchase is that many residents choose their golf cart as a primary mode of transportation around the neighborhood. We're a family-friendly community with something for everyone. From Halloween trick-or-treat to our annual 4th of July parade, there's always something going on in Riverchase, and I invite you to become a part of our community. To find out more about Riverchase or other nearby neighborhoods, send me an email at drchaserealestate@gmail.com and make sure to listen to my weekly entertainment podcast, Discover Birmingham, available on Apple and Spotify.